in every shop across the land. Driven by progress, with you we stand. Collision repair, the voice you trust. Innovation standards, it's all with us. Subscribe today, don't miss a line. Breaking news and trends on time. For owners, techs, insurers to you, we bring the future right to you. Profile stories, issues that matter. The industry grows, we're climbing the ladder. 20 plus years strong, and still we lead. Collision repairs, the guide you need. Collision repair, hey, hey, the voice of the trade.